Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for Guru account. So how do you sign up for a Guru account? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for a Guru account using the Guru web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your preferred web browser, which I have here, and go to getguru.com and punch the enter button. Okay. Says this site can't be reached. I have to confirm. So let me just do Guru instead. Just type in Guru and okay, so www.guru.com. So that's the URL now. So on the homepage of the website, go ahead and look for the sign up button that's just at the typically located in the top right corner of the page and click on it. Now, this will take you to the registration page, which we have in here. Now, in the registration form, you have a couple of options that you can use or you can choose to create a Guru account. You can sign up using Apple, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or even Google. So let's say, or you can use your email. So let's say the email address, go ahead and enter your work email address in the provided field, which we have in here. And once you enter your email address, you're going to have to enter your full name first, and your email address. Now this says this email is already in use, but I'm just going to let you know the next steps. Now, Google requires a work email to create an account, but if they just allow you to send in regular email like that, then you can just make use of that. Then go ahead and click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, it's going to take you to the next step where you have to enter your password. You have to create a password. So create a strong password that meets Guru's security requirements. And after entering your password, check the box to agree to Guru's terms of services and privacy policy. Then you need to complete CAPTCHA verification if prompted. Complete any CAPTCHA or verification steps to confirm you are not a robot. So once you're done with all of that, Guru will send a verification email to the address you provided. Now go to your inbox, open the email from Guru, and click the verification link to activate your account. And most times, after using or signing in with your email account, you may be asked to enter an OTP on your mail. So you have to open the mail, get the OTP, enter the OTP. All of those are for security purposes. So after verification, go ahead and return to Google, and you may be prompted to select a team or business category, and you'll be asked to, of course, you'll be prompted to choose if you want to hire, or if you want to be an employer or a freelancer looking for a job. Go ahead and fill all of those, make a selection based on your preference, and then just follow any additional setup steps to finalize your profile. Once registration and verification are complete, you'll be redirected to the Guru dashboard where you can begin using your new account. So go over this tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.